Huda and the cool crowd. Huda stood at the school gate holding her lunchbox tightly. Today was her first day in a new school. Her heart was beating fast. Will anyone like me? She whispered to herself. As she walked in, she saw a group of girls laughing loudly. They were dressed in the trendiest cloth, wore shiny shoes, and their hair was perfectly styled. One of them waved, "Hi, new girl, come sit with us." Huda smiled shyly and walked over. The girl introduced themselves. "We are the cool crowd," said a tall girl named Zara. "We don't follow boring rules and we don't talk to teacher pets." Huda blinked. "Oh, okay." She did not want to feel left out. But the cool crowd did not pray Zohor in the prayer room. They laughed during Quran class and they made fun of quiet girl named Amina, calling her Miss Masjid. Huda felt strange inside. One day during break, Huda's lunchbox fell. Her food spilled all over the floor. She froze in embarrassment. But Amina walked over, knee down, and helped clean up. "Don't worry," she smiled gently. "You can share my lunch." Huda looked at her. Amina wore a simple hijab and spoke with kindness. She was not flashy, but she felt real. Later that day, Huda sat alone. Zara walked by and, "Why were you sitting with that quiet girl? She's so weird." Huda took a deep breath. "She may be quiet, she is kind, she pray, she respect others, and she helped me when no one else did." Zara rolled her eyes and walked away. Huda felt nervous, also strong. From that day, Huda chose to sit with Amina. They walked to the prayer room together. They reminded each other to say Bismillah before eating. They smiled, laughed, and even helped others with their homework. Slowly, other kids joined them. Even some of the cool crowd began saying Salam and asking questions about prayer. That night, Huda whispered a little dua before sleeping. "Ya Allah, thank you for showing me the right friends, the ones who remind me of you, because now she knew the real meaning of cool." Moral of the story: friends are a mirror. Choose those who help you see your best self. The one Allah's love. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.